Hey everybody, I'm Auto Guy Brian. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 2018 Honda Civic Si HFP, which is Honda Factory Performance Trim. Let's check it out. Now the first thing that I'm going to go over with you are the differences between the regular Si and the new HFP version. First things first, we're going to talk about the HFP Sport Suspension System with Adaptive Damper System. It's the same one that's in the current Type R Civic. I know you can't see it, but trust me, it is there. Next on the list is that sweet looking red front lip spoiler. The nicely upgraded side skirts. And a killer set of 19-inch flat black wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on them. Ooh mama. Now as a special bonus, they're also throwing in this custom set of HFP floor mats, and they are awesome. And last but not least, the HFP signature badging, letting everybody know around you that this is not your grandmother's Civic. And now here's what is the same on both packages, the SI and the HFP version. A 1.5 liter turbocharged engine putting out 205 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. Ooh baby. Now the interior of this vehicle is going to be the exact same as the Civic Si, of course with the addition of the specialty mats there. You're going to of course get the SI badging with a nice bucket seat with much heavier bolsters. You're going to have Garmin navigation, a 452 watt stereo system, 6-speed manual transmission, Bluetooth, and the lane watch camera to show you who's in your blind spot. But other than that, it's exactly the same on the inside here that you're going to find on the regular Si. Now, to be perfectly honest with all you guys out there, and I say guys mainly because that's pretty much the only people that watch my channel. So if you are a girl and you're watching this channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If there's anything I can do to appeal more to the ladies out there, let me know. I was going to include part of the driving experience in the Si as part of this video, but I decided, why bother doing that? Just go to your local Honda dealership and try it out yourself. You're going to love the results that you find. This thing is sporty, it's fast, it's comfortable, and on top of all that, on top of all the looks and all the amazing sporty-like features that you get with this car, you're going to really just love the drive, and you're going to save gas too. And with gas prices rising the way they are right now, this is really going to be your top budget sports car. So if you want to see me, come on down to Canada, or come on up to Canada. Ask for Auto Guy Bry when you get to Henley Honda. That's on 308 Lake Street, St. Catharines, Ontario. So don't take my word for it. Come out and drive one yourself. You'll see. And there you have it. That is the 2018 Honda Civic Si HFP, or Honda Factory Performance Trim. If you like what you saw here, hit that like button. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment down below. I answer every single comment I possibly can, and I always love seeing engagement on my channel. If you like what you saw here and you don't want to miss anything that's upcoming, consider subscribing to Auto Guy Bry. I'll see you guys next time.
We'll be right back.